When people come to yoga looking for a good workout, they're missing the point. Yes, you get the benefits of strengthening and flexibility and core strength and better posture, but there is so much more depth to the yoga practice that if you are not intentionally activating and tapping into, then you're only getting the bare minimum surface benefits of an amazingly intricate and powerful practice. Hi, my name is Megan Nolan from Wake the Warrior Within, and I am super excited to share with you a powerful tool that you can use every time you step on the yoga mat to be able to go deeper and get so much more from every practice. I mean, I get it. It was the physical nature of the yoga practice that attracted me in the first place. I loved how strong I felt after. I loved how I was feeling more, energized and courageous, and I was walking taller because my core was more activated. Yeah, for sure. That's what attracted me initially. But what has kept my attention over the years is the depth and the layers of the practice that begin to reveal themselves when you are willing to look and when you are willing to listen and when you are willing to go deeper. Because the physical alignment of your body is simply the first layer, because this is the layer that we know and we're most able to, kind of relate to and use and work with. But it's really just the start, because when we practice alignment of mind and body and spirit, so not just alignment of your body in the poses, we're using that intentional focus on aligning our mind with the wisdom of our heart. Because despite what you maybe have seen on social media, the goal of yoga is not to be able to twist yourself into some sort of pretzel position. The goal of yoga is to begin to quiet and focus the waves of the mind. And we use the physical practice, the different asanas, to help get us there. But a very powerful tool to help really train the mind is showing up intentionally. Choosing something that you're focusing on throughout the whole practice, that you are bringing to life through the practice and you are embodying through each and every one of the poses, is another amazing tool. Showing up intentionally on the yoga mat so that you have purpose and you can put your attention back on that whenever it wanders, because inevitably it will. We help to really align our mind with our body by using the tools, by using the breath, by using the practice, but really aligning our body and our mind with our spirit or our heart. Because that's where the magic is. That's where the real depth of the practice is when we get out of that noisy chatter of the mind into the stillness and the guidance of the heart. Because that is where we can really begin to live from this place of direction and focus and inspiration and energy as we embody the best, fullest, strongest, most resilient, courageous, tapped in version of ourselves on the mat. Intentionally activating those qualities combined with the feeling of them while we're on the mat, because when we combine a thought with feeling, it becomes a belief. So when we are intentionally showing up in the practice on the mat and really animating those qualities of whatever it is. Do you want to be more grounded? Do you want to be more determined? Do you want to be more grateful? Do you want to be more loving? What is it that you need to do on a daily basis to be able to get where you want to go? Because you can use the yoga practice for that. And you're not just getting the strengthening and the flexibility and, ability to stand on one foot or whatever it is. But really what you're doing is tapping into and embodying all these amazing qualities that you already have within you. You're just bringing them to the surface by practicing them on the mat so that you can take them wherever you go. That is the really cool thing about being intentional with your yoga practice. So I would love to share with you, if you're interested in checking that out, I have a free 15-minute session that weaves together intention setting, gratitude, which is a whole other story of amazingness and is science-backed, but it just brings us into the heart, into that place of appreciation, which is a very powerful place. And we weave that together with a little mini yoga practice that helps you step into your warrior self that has all those qualities already, intentionally embodying that on the mat so that when you get off the mat and go into your day, you take all of that with you, my friend. And that is a powerful way to live your life. So if you want to check that out, you can click the link below to grab the free Warrior Wake Up session to help you prime your body and your mind for an amazing day as you intentionally show up for yourself in this practice that you can do in 15 minutes to reset your body, to really activate your core strength so you walk taller, you feel more energized, and best of all, you're showing up to intentionally pay attention to your mind, your body, and your beautiful spirit. So check it out. It's free. It's only 15 minutes. Give it a go. See how you feel. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to your feedback. So taking some time to show up for yourself intentionally in your yoga practice will give you all of the physical benefits, but also the mental and the emotional as well, which is amazing. So thanks for watching. See you soon. Take good care. Bye.